So there's this other measurement that we're doing. We're advertising it quite a bit and making some noise for this NAT hole punching measurement campaign. We're doing a hole punching December, and this December is halfway through. So I thought we could give a brief update of how it's going and see which data we've already gathered. So we started collecting data beginning of November, and then made some noise starting in the last week leading up to December. And here we can see the active API keys per day over time. And we can see that starting on the 1st of December, there were still some people joining the campaign, but it leveled out at around 80 to 90 active clients that are contributing data to the measurement campaign. I sent out around 120 API keys, and actually 272 clients, unique clients, had contacted our server. So those 89 active clients per day could be, they could differ from day to day. And so where are those clients located? So the people that are participating in this campaign, basically on all continents except for Africa. So that's a pity. So if you know someone from Africa, I would like them to join. And but it's a diverse set already. So that's pretty good. Those clients, those people that are running the puncher client, had contributed over 3 million 3 million hole punch results. These are not necessarily actual hole punches, but at least they reported if something went wrong, or if something went well here. So these are the hole punch results per hour. Per day. Okay, so the y-axis should be per day, and then again over time, it looks similar to the uptake of the active API keys, and so we have around 150,000 results that come in each day from those 80 to 90 clients. That's what I meant. So not all of them are valuable, and I feared that most of them are not. But actually, as I had a look today, those brown line and those this purple line are actually the relevant ones. So these are the failed hole punches in purple, and the successful ones in brown. And this nose here at the right hand side is just a visualization issue. So just ignore that one here. And actually, the minority are hole punch results that are actually irrelevant to us. So these are the important ones, and as we can see, this is the majority of the data that comes back, which is great. And so as I said, we have clients in a diverse set of locations, but this is actually only one part of the equation. We can make up for the lack of diversity in our client locations if the remote peers that we actually hole punch are in a diverse set of geolocations, and this is actually definitely the case. So this is the so a common misconception is that the clients hole punch each other, but actually they are just hole punching a random peer in the whole IPFS network, and those peers are coming from all of these countries that you can see here. Keep in mind, some of them may be behind or like running a VPN in a VPN network. But anyways, this is great. This is a diverse set of data points that we get here, which is super valuable for the full analysis that we plan for January. And then probably the most interesting thing, so what's the success rate? And as you can see here, this is around, it wobbles around 70 to 60%, which is a little less than I've observed and reported previously, but only a little less. But this is also expected as we, as we're running it in a diverse, non-controlled environment or non-controlled networks. Beforehand, I was just running it in my home network and in a couple of other networks that we knew, and now we're distributing it to a diverse set. And this also needs some data digging because I may need to filter out some results here which don't make sense. So this is why we have this preliminary batch here on the right-hand side. But this should give you a ballpark in how successful this whole process is. And with that, it's not too late. So if you plan to, or if I want to call out. Please join if you want. There are the links. You would need to run such a. If you're on a Mac, you could just run this little icon here on the top right. It's a menu bar application. I'm running it here as well. And no technical skills are required. But if you're tech savvy, you can also there are also command line tools and so on. And yeah, please join and participate.